Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can download a video on Pinterest. Keep watching the video till the end. To download video on Pinterest, firstly go ahead and launch open your Pinterest application. The home page of Pinterest application will appear on the screen. Tap on search icon at the bottom of the page. Search for a video you would like to download and tap on it. Now to download a video, click on share icon at the bottom right corner of the page and from the pop-up click on copy link option. Open your web browser and on the search box at the top type in Pinterest video downloader and make a search. You can see the search results displayed on the screen. Tap on first link shown on the page. Paste the link that you have copied before and tap on download. Click on download video once again. This is how you can download video on Pinterest quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.